Another hold that I sold is the Air Jordan 11 Retro right there. Sold 2 pair of this one, and there we go. Also sold this Skateboard Supreme Camo, about 15% return. It feels good that I already organized the inventory and getting ready for the Q4. Well, I'm almost done, and as you can see, I already cleaned up some of this, more stuff to be put in. I'm done also on this part, almost there. And then now I'm gonna need to ship out some also here on the Jordans down here. Sold some of the Air Jordan 1 low grade school, the University Blue. I sold 4 of this Jordan 1 low grade school. So as you can see, I have written down January 2021. So that is the month I started buying this one. One mistake that I've learned is when I bought this one prematurely, that I thought that it's not gonna go down further. The discount was not gonna go down further, so I bought them for $99.97, additional 30% off, because as you can see, 200 retail, so I think it will go down further, but then it was not. It went. What I meant is, I thought it is the last markdown, but then again they mark it down more, so somewhere around $79.97. so that one is my mistake, and I learned about it. So even though I got them for $99.97 with the additional 30%, but if I didn't bought them prematurely or earlier, then I should got them for a more cheaper, like $79.97 with the additional 30% off. So that is the mistake that I've learned. This is a good part when holding a shoe for a long while, and the return is massive. So this one is Jordan 11 Space Jam. And it's the clips. Is this a baseball clips? I think so. But here you go. What do you think on this one? So I bought them on Ross, $24.99, and we sold them on Goat for $266. So that is so rarely you can't really sold that high, but hey, it's worth holding on them. Like, I think I got this like December last year, so holding them for a couple months, and the return is very, very huge. So actually there is a flood way back a couple months ago, when a lot of people found them on Ross, and they are selling them for a low return. Like, some of them were selling for 80, 90, about 100. But hey, I said I'm gonna hold them. So now, good thing I really hold them for that long.